Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Howdy. Here you will find where to solve your questions about adolescent behavior in the intact male dog. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about adolescent behavior in the intact male dog is www.veterinarypartner.com. See the page titled 01 Adolescence, the Teenage Dog, veterinarypartner.com. Here's the link. You can also try en.wikipedia.org, especially the page Canine Reproduction, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.cdc.gov. The web page CDC, Sexual Behaviors, Adolescent and School Health. Here's the link.